Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off the real-time protection in Windows 10 and Windows 11 in 2026 step by step. So this particular step is useful when you are installing the trusted apps or doing the troubleshooting. Just remember to turn it back on later for security purposes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in this step 1, you need to open Windows Security. For that, click on the Start menu. Then when you see this type of search bar here on the top, simply search for Windows Security. Once you are able to find the Windows Security option in your system, simply click on it in order to launch it. So this is where all of your virus protection settings are located for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So over here, inside the Windows Security, simply click on the option of Virus and Threat Protection. This page shows all of the active protections, including the real-time protection. So you just have to scroll down here on this page, then click on the option of Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Here you will find all of the main toggles for the Windows Defenders. You will see we have the real-time protection option available. It is turned on by default, but in order to turn it off, simply click on it. When it asks you for the confirmation, you just have to click on the yes button in that pop-up. Now Windows will temporarily pause scanning so that you can install the apps or run the tasks without any kind of interference. Now you can also disable the cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, tamper protection as well. So only turn these off if you really need to. Windows will turn the real-time protection back on automatically after a reboot to keep your device safe. So that's how you can turn off the real-time protection in Windows 10 and 11. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.